It is one of the local tradition and we just have to try it. It's definitely still jumping around. Oh, in this video, I want to show you the best food festival and place to try in Bangkok. Whether you want something exotic, local or international, these places will have you covered. Now we're gonna try to rank this place to the most touristy and high-end place to visit for you foodie out there. And if you watch until the end of this video, you might be able to see some of the most exotic food that I was able to try out myself for the first time. Man, why did it make me do this? Oh, this is just drowning someone. It's not cool. So we're gonna start our journey off with the Chatuchak Weekend Market. This place open on the weekend as the name entails, and to get here you can take the BTS SkyTrain to the Mushit station and Chatuchak station on the MRT subway, which is an underground train. As you can see here, there's a lot of touristy art. I'm getting myself a sticker tattoo just to see how that would look like in my body. It is a fun experience that cost me around $10 which is totally worth it. What up guys? So we here in Chatuchak Market. It's actually very close to where I actually live. We're gonna show you what's inside this night market. As you can see right here, it's only have been recently popped up and I never seen it around, but I guess it's tourist season. So if you come here during December, January or November, you probably see this. Normally this market close around 9, but with this night market, they're gonna extend it into midnight. The best part is that this price, me living here, this is local price. This is not tourist price. Everything is very cheap and it have the most authentic food. I'm gonna show you what's inside. We just get ourselves this drink here, which is lemon/honey drink. Let's just show you. They have a lot of queue. I think it is 49 baht and the taste is absolutely good. We are going to get our pancake. You can pick any of this ingredient. They just made this pancake on the street right there and there. You can just order it on the spot and it's fresh ingredient. Good for your protein intake, yeah? We picked meat and this green grass and the chili thing. It's really good. Man, I can eat like 5 of this. But it's really good. This is like what we call the instant noodle. I don't personally eat it, but Thai people absolutely love it. They mix it with sausage and crab meat and seaweed and whatnot, and they put mayonnaise on top of that. So he's preparing it right now. Me living here for a long time, this is still new to me. I actually don't know what that is, but it is some sort of sausage wrapping in a banana leaf. This is what like the deep fry stuff. Really just you have sausage, mushroom, and a lot of this meat that is being powdered and deep fried to make it more crispy. We have an open street food like this, where it's more like just pick what you like and see what you like and just order it from there. This is a little bit risky for some people. I have tried before and it worked out just fine for me. We're gonna order this yum. This is how she prepared it with raw prawn. It is a little bit risky. We eat it with this green leaf. Real that. อร่อยมาก It's not too spicy. It's really not that spicy. Now after our food tasting in Chatuchak Market, we took a private taxi using Grab app to Yaowarat district, which is known for Bangkok, Chinatown. Now to get here guys, you want to take the subway train, which is the MRT, and stop at Wat Mang Khon MRT station. Unfortunately, the BTS SkyTrain does not run through here. So the cuisine here is a little bit different from the Chatuchak Market because as the name entails, Chinatown will focus more into Chinese cuisine. You will find a lot of Chinese cuisine such as noodle, dim sum, dumpling, crispy pork. Any of your favorite Chinese food will be in here. Guarantee that, so make sure that you check it out. However, there's still gonna be some famous Thai food there, such as pad Thai, tom yum soups, and other famous signature Thai cuisine. What up guys, welcome to Bangkok, Chinatown. This is what we call the Yaowarat of Chinatown, and this is the signature nightlife of Chinatown. You can see here the green, the red, the yellow, and it all light up. And this is the best place to try traditional, authentic Thai/Chinese street food. You can see here This restaurant is a Michelin 2018 and 19. Alright guys, so if you're from the Western country, you would never see anyone that have like a live crab. He's walking out the shell like that. Oh, he's gonna get out. You get that? You get a shot. He's gonna get out. But man, the lobster here is really great. Really great. And again, you can prepare right here and then, and you can easily, there's no need to book because the competition here is quite high. They just like bring in. And this is the best spot to take photo because the signature green and white light is over there. And we're gonna take some photo ourselves. I think you saw this in Singapore, it was really expensive. That is such a good crab. And what famous on any tourist spot in Bangkok is that they always have some sort of seafood, like live seafood, pre-cooked seafood that you can just purchase right there and cook right there. You can see here, really packed. You get lobster here, one for 1,500 baht. That's a good price, honestly. The best dim sum in Bangkok is around this midpoint, right? And you want to head over to this thing, and it's actually located upstairs. If you notice, there's actually a bar outside as well. Yeah, so let's cross the street. We'll show you guys how to actually cross the street. It's trafficked anyway, so just have to wait for the giveaway. Let's go like that. So yeah, I mean, when you come here, there's always gonna be a traffic jam like this, so it's very easy to cross. It's just not a high-speed thing, right? So there's no way you can't get hurt if you be careful. This is the best dim sum in Bangkok. Like if you like dumpling and you like traditional Chinese food, this is the best one, and with the best price as well. It's not too crazy. Kind of hard to find at first, but you wanna go upstairs, find a sign, and go upstairs through this way. Really flavor, salad, pickle, ginger, really unique flavor, and good off the start your big meal with salad. So what we have here is the actual scallop stuff. And then we have this crab. This is one of the best, like I said, the best dim sum place in Bangkok. And I'm gonna start with the fish one. So this is freshly handmade, I believe. Put it thing on top. Well, not the best cup of tea there, but stick it in there. Oh, a lot of fun. So what I like about this restaurant is that upstairs there's something hidden. It's a secret hidden rooftop bar that I will show you guys. You have to walk up to level 3 to actually see that. You can see here everything is quiet, everything is shut, but there's a hidden door that you have to look for. Just follow me here. Alright, hidden door. And in this bookshelf is an openable door. You can see that. You can enjoy your cocktail, drinks, and the atmosphere was very soft, and there's also a balcony that you can go out there and see the view of Chinatown. What up guys, we at our third and final place to our food tour in Bangkok. This is one of the most dense food court in Bangkok that I would highly recommend. It's called Jodd Fair. And if you want to get here, you want to take the subway, the MRT to station Rama 9, and then you take a 2-minute walk and you would land here. It's very hard to miss. It's the most visual and the most light up market at night. As you can see here, there's a lot of exotic food that is targeted for foreigners. You can find your scorpion, your insects, and ladybugs and all that stuff all in here. And there's also lots of alcohol and beverage and bar that you can actually enjoy. And you can see here there's so many local food, dominantly everything focused on local and international food. You will find a lot of shops like this where they have seafood, and this is like signature for Jodd Fair after living here, where they have like this seafood mix up and where you eat it with your hand on the table. We have some picture of that as well. But normally you can find a lot of seafood here, and of course the snack, you can find a lot of snack like these. You can see people here shooting a lot, and the market here is going crazy at night. I believe it's go as far as 1 a.m. You get a lot of people selling this really spicy depending on how you feel. It's called the poke bone soup. Look at that. Look at that. So depending on how you feel, this is very spicy. They do allow you to pick the level of spiciness. Really, really tasty, right? And it's signature Thai dish, so make sure that you come in and you actually try that. So what you can find is one of the most exotic fruits as well. Like, you know, like durian is no longer in the season, but you can always find it here because there's always demand for it. So we got our first dish in the market, the beef tongue. It's around $5 US. I think it's very reasonable for your protein takeaway. So this is the jumping shrimps, right? Then they put some vinegar, some sauce on it, and they put a live baby shrimp. Then you just eat it raw. It is the Thai tradition, like one of the signature dish here. So you must try. We're gonna give it a go for 80 baht. So you can see here, it's still jumping on the inside. I mean, like, it's not the best way to prepare food, but it is one of the local tradition, and we just have to try it. It's definitely still jumping around. For $2.5 US, you can't get it wrong. It's a little bit sharp. You just have to be careful or it's gonna poke your tongue. Very spicy. Quite very sharp, very sharp. One of my favorite meat is the tongue. No. One of my favorite meat is the tongue. No. So good. For $5, you can't go wrong. Our next dish is Wagyu beef, right? Thai Wagyu beef. Right here. Let me know if you guys think this is look like the picture. So it's around 400 baht. I would like have some egg yolk in there. Not too bad. Very juicy. Getting a steak for $15 like this is unmatchable. One of the other exotic food that you should try is eating a live squid. How it works is that they're gonna be putting the squid into the sauce, then it's acid, it's gonna kill the squid, and then you can eat it fresh. Unfortunately, that's just how they prepare it, but it is the local food, so let's give it a go. So this is the seafood sauce, which is very spicy and it's very aesthetic, and they give you this glove because I know it's gonna be messy. I really don't eat this every day. This is really just for you guys to see what's it like. Oh, okay, I have to do it myself. I really don't, oh my god, I don't do this every day. Man, why did it make me do this? This is for YouTube, this is for you guys. Oh, this is just drowning someone, it's not cool. I feel like I'm drowning someone. Oh man, I feel so bad. I feel so bad. It's like really just drowning someone. But, oi, the ink will come out. The thing you do for YouTube, right? Alright, it's getting black. Oh, it's getting black. It's not as good as it. See them now. Because it's really not something that you eat every day. It's very chewy. So try it out when you come to Thailand. Make sure you take the bowl now. I want to talk a little bit about the experience. It was really dramatic. It was really, it doesn't feel good to actually prepare the food yourself, but this store make you prepare the food. The hardest part is the head. So as long as you get the head out of the way first, the body is not as bad. And there's a bone in there, so make sure that you don't eat the bone and take the bone out. Overall, I think it was a unique experience. It would not be something that I would eat every day. Definitely try it out when you come to Thailand. And make sure you drop in the comment below what kind of food have you tried out in this place and which one is your favorite out of all the three. And let me know if you have any other questions when traveling to Thailand. If you like video like this, consider give it a thumbs up. It would help the channel a lot. And share with your friend who are actually planning to come to Thailand, Bangkok in general. And if you want to know how I was able to semi-retire in my 20s in Southeast Asia, make sure that you check the link in the description for a free training on how to start a remote online business and live your life to its full potential. Otherwise, I'll see you on the next one.